one. That was beautiful.
There's what? There's a bomb in the tree.
Go, Dad!
Real. Oh.
Yeah, that's its mouth going.
All right, mommy's turn.
Good job, Renee.
It's just gonna keep freaking out until you grab it.
That's gotta help me. I don't know what else to do at this point. It's so pretty.
It's very soft.
I don't know. That one and that one are pretty close. So right in front of this little fin down here, right in front of it is the exit door.
one of you caught this fish, but it's gonna be delicious and everybody gets to taste some. You ready?
Try that.
You can take a little bite. You don't have to eat the whole thing.
Is it good? I like it.
You don't like it.
Charity.
So how many thumbs? 0 thumbs? Do you give it any thumbs down?
Maybe you can do this, like 1/2 of it.
You're just not a big fan of fish. You'd rather have it fried and crispy?
We worked hard for this fish. Oh, I need the gloves. Good. Yeah, rope gloves. That is so good.
All right, Renee, can I give you just a tiny little taste?
It tastes kind of like chicken, but a little different.
1 bite.
You didn't catch the fish to look at it. Catch it to eat it.
What do you think about that, Renee?
I like it.
What? What did it taste like?
It tastes like delicious.
It tastes like, do you want another bite?
No, that's so good.
Cherry gives it 0 thumbs. Talia, how many thumbs? 2 thumbs? Renee, how many thumbs?
Infinity.
Well, you give everything infinity.
Fish is the
How about
best.
how about half of infinity? Thumbs up this time.
Half.
Half infinity. Yeah, there you go. Half infinity.
How about one more and that will be half?
Okay, sounds great. 0, 2, half infinity. Say thanks for going fishing with us.
Thanks for going fishing.